Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wells Fargo to enroll in Autopay beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wells Fargo website. Once the home page loads, look for the sign on button at the top right corner. Click the sign on button to log into your account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click sign on to access your account dashboard. If you do not have an account, click on the enroll link to create one. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process. After successfully logging in, look for the Bill Pay section on the dashboard. Click on Bill Pay to view your payment options. In the Bill Pay section, find the option for Autopay. Click on Autopay to begin the setup process. You will see a list of your current bills. Choose the bill you want to set up for Autopay. Select the date you want the payment to be automatically deducted. Decide on the payment amount, either the minimum or the full balance. Review the payment schedule to ensure it meets your needs. Once satisfied, click the Enroll in Autopay button. You will receive a confirmation of your Autopay setup on the screen. Check your email for a confirmation of your Autopay enrollment. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Autopay with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.